Hello world, welcome to Python Things. Our today's lecture is on variables. In the last lecture we have discussed about comments, print function and operators. So let's start with variables. So there are three questions we need to put. First, what, second is how, and third, why. So what is variables? So variables are the container which is used to store data and values. So variables is used to store the data and values. So how to use variables? So there is no specific uh, syntax for storing the data. Let's say age equal to 37. So here 37 is the value, age is our variable name, and we are storing this value in the age variable. We can store a message also. Hello, this is Python. We can store a flag also, true. We can store percentage of student also, 78.9. Always remember one thing, when you create a variable or when you declare a variable, this variable name should be understood. It should not be like a equal to 19. Let's say you declare this variable and you are thinking or you are saying this 19 is the age and you are storing it into a variable. Only you know that this a is age, but for others no one will understand this is age. But when you declare it like this, everyone will easily understand that this age, this value 37 is age. So always remember, your variable name should be self understood. Third question is why it is important. Why do we need variable names? We can do this thing. Let's say we need to print a table of any number. Print, let's say we need to print the table of 3. 3 into 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So okay, let's print it first. Python variables.py. So here is the table of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now someone asked you to print the table of 6. Now what you need to do, you need to change this 3 to 6 in all the 10 lines. Here is the role of variable. Num equal to 6, num num num. Now when you print it, you will get the table of 6. Now you just need to change the value of this num whenever you want to change the table. So this is how variables are important and why we need these variables. I hope you will understand, and we will use these variables in our upcoming lectures. Thank you, and we will meet in our next lecture.